Has anyone seen the cat?
Ah, there you are. What should I make for you? The chef is in inspecting the ingredients. Only the freshest fish will do. Marinating is an art. We will need a large piece of fish, a lime, red onion, sweet potato, corn, and cilantro. You will need 1 cat, a guitar, drums, 2 vinyl records, and 1 parrot in love. Keep the rhythm. Ceviche, cook for those you love. Link in description. Like and subscribe.